If you've tried to create a stepping stone pathway, you know leveling them can be a challenge. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a way to simplify the process right after this. Mold on your siding, moss on your roof, mildew on your deck. The easiest way to get rid of it all is with Wet and Forget Outdoor. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no pressure washing. Just spray and leave. Wet and Forget Outdoor is non-caustic and safe for any outdoor surface. Just spray and you're done with Wet and Forget Outdoor. Get Wet and Forget Outdoor at participating Ace, Walmart, and Lowe's home improvement stores, or visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. A stepping stone pathway is a great solution to a beaten down track across your yard. But the key to a good installation is keeping the stones evenly spaced and level so they're safe and easy to navigate. Sometimes after you dig out and level the soil for a stone, it will rock when you step on it. Rather than trying to find the high spot, figure out where the low spots are by rocking the stone side to side or front to back. Then toss a handful of sand into these spots and replace the stone. Now wiggle the stone back and forth with a little pressure on top. You'll compact the necessary sand and force out the excess so that the stone sits firmly in place. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.